My name is Clinton Laster, and I'm the owner of Flawless Auto Finish in Taylor, Michigan. We're a detailing company that specializes in paint corrections and ceramic coating installation. I've always been into cars, always been around them. You know, my dad, he's like a master level painter for cars and body shops. He's worked on, custom cars, all of that. When I was a kid, he was always doing, side projects in the garage that he would do, like work for people and painting cars. And I'd be like a little kid and I would go out there, trying to help him. I was probably messing stuff up more than I was helping him, but I liked it, and I've always liked it, ever since then. Then after high school, I got into Washtenaw Community College out in Ann Arbor for their auto body and paint program. While I was still in school there, I worked for Colex Collision for close to 5 years. When I was working for them, I was a paint apprentice. We were a busy shop, and there would be days where I was pretty much just wet sanding, compounding, polishing, all the stuff that just got painted before it got put back together and then, given to the customer. Started having people that would ask me about, oh, I need you to buff out my car and then do this. I was like, yeah, I know, I can do that. And I started to learn a lot about the actual detailing and the processes involved with that. And then made flyers and business cards and all that stuff. Started sticking them in gas stations and liquor stores and everywhere to let me stick them out. I'm doing this on Saturday and Sunday at home, and I'm making them about as much for almost as much as I'm working all week. They did a 401k price matching at that job. I think I had a few grand in there. Took that out, and that was about all that I had, and quit my job. Seeing kind of how things I envisioned and was starting out and what I hoped to do, and then kind of seeing some of those things happening and getting closer to some of the other bigger things keep me pushing forward. I hope to build something that can create opportunities for other people. Obviously now we still have a small team of guys, but I mean, there's no way that I would have been able to get this far without the help of the people, the support of people. In the beginning, you have to do kind of everything, and I still do a lot of different tasks than I probably should or that I even can do, but really you don't have no choice.